Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Black Shark 5 Pro. Firstly, just open Play Store on both devices and install completely free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on Android. Finally, just receive on Huawei and send on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. For example, this song. Choose send and tap on got it. Now on Black Shark, choose no thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and then tap on receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, just click on this scanning icon on Black Shark, just while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. Now as you can see, after a while my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!